You can break even on your rental property and still make money. You don't even need cash flow or appreciation to be profitable. Here's where the hidden profit comes from. This house rents for $1,050 a month. And after operating expenses, it brings in $635 a month or $7,620 a year. If you bought it with this mortgage, you're going to walk away with about $4,300 a year after making the payment. Now let's say you had some tough luck and you got to replace the roof on the property for $4,300, wiping out all your cash flow. You're still making money because your tenants are paying off your mortgage every month, reducing the amount you owe to the bank and increasing your equity in the property. Which is why I always include a debt paydown calculator in my financial analysis of a new property. On this particular house, even if you don't cash flow, you're making $1,700 a year of equity from your tenants paying off your debt. On a $15,000 down payment, that's an 11 to 12% return on investment, even when you break even. Now you should always shoot for cash flow, but if you have a surprise expense, don't freak out, you're still making money.